Hey, how you doing?
Hey.
I'm the plumber you call. My name's Mario. You must be Dakota.
Yeah, come in.
So, you said there was something wrong with your pipes?
Yeah, it's been acting up, making weird sounds, not working properly.
Right, well, you know what, that's fine. I'll have it fixed in no time. Doesn't sound that hard.
Okay, thanks.
That should do it. What is this? This is jamming the pipe here. What the? Okay, this is a little strange. Kind of a weird note to have.
Oh, yeah, we're totally gonna murder that guy.
I think I need to call the police.
Don't look at the camera.
Yeah.
Hey, who are you calling?
What? No, what? No, no one. No, I was just, I was calling my,
Quick, say someone.
my mother. I was calling my mother, I was calling her about dinner arrangements, but, I don't really have any credit, so, it's not that big of a deal. Couldn't call her, but it's fine, it's fine.
It's fine, you can use mine.
Don't look at the camera.
Hey, Mom. Listen, can I come over for dinner tonight? Cause, I'm kind of in the middle of something. I'll call you back. Thanks.
No problem.
Anyway, I've really got to go, so...
Well, we stay for tea.
Yeah, I don't drink tea.
Coffee?
Or coffee.
What about water?
Well, oh man, lime?
What?
What's a lime? What the? Stop the heck! Do you have any water on?
I'm making cookies, they'll be out in a second.
I gotta get out of here.
What are you doing?
I'm fixing your window.
I didn't know you fixed windows.
Yeah, it's like a dual profession. Plumber by day.
We're filming.
Window fixer by day.
I didn't know my windows were broken.
Well, they're not broken now, thanks to me. Yeah. Yes. I know the symbol and the note from the bathroom. I know exactly what she is. She's a Satanist. I can't leave. I need to confront her. Ah, my legs are kind of sore actually.
Sorry, the cookies are gonna take longer than expected.
How could you?
Huh?
Satanism! Of all things, Satanism!
I don't follow.
I know everything. The 666 note from the bathroom, the demonic symbol on the laptop, and let's not forget, you saying you're gonna murder someone, probably me.
Oh, no, you got us all wrong. That's a phone number.
Whoops.
And that's not a demonic symbol. And you misunderstood the murder thing. That was a phone number to a racist hotline. That was a racist symbol. And I was talking about murdering someone of a different race.
Wait a minute, then you're not a Satanist. You're a...
Racist.
Cool, that'll be $49.95. And cut. Hey, is it just me, or is there something weird about the director?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go talk to him. Hey, listen, man. We filmed some really good stuff, but well, the script was a little bit weird. Are you sure you're not like racist yourself or something? What? No, that was fiction. That was a script. This is real life now. You're mistaking fiction for real life. This isn't a movie anymore. This is real life. And cut. Okay, are we done with this? This is getting ridiculous. I mean, look, I'm playing 3 different characters.
Cut.